Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be trying Polygel for the first time, and I'll be using the Mobray Polygel kit. I can't link it because my cousin actually gave it to me. So in this kit you get dual forms, 3 polygels, one in nude pink, soft pink, and then one in clear. You also get this, I'm assuming it's base coat. You also get this dual-sided brush slash spatula. For slip solution, I'm going to be using this 91% alcohol, and I'm just going to use this shot glass to hold it. To prep my nails, I'm going to use Mia Secret's Extra Bond Primer and Nail Prep pH Balance. I'm going to go in with the Nail Prep pH Balance first to dehydrate my nails and get rid of the oils, and then I'm going to go in with the Extra Bond Primer. Wow. I then went in with the base coat, and I took my 2-in-1 UV LED lamp and set it for 90 seconds. It didn't really cure because I could wipe it off afterwards, so I honestly think that was just regular polish. But anyway, I'm going to go in with, what was that, nude pink, I believe? But yes, I took the nude pink. I squeezed it out and used the spatula, but y'all, that was useless. There's no point in using it. I just squeezed it into the nails. It's less hassle. The only thing about this is I have to figure out the right portions, because you'll see later on, like I'll take too much and then too little, but we'll get into that later. I honestly don't like these dual forms because I don't know how to explain it. It was just so shiny when I took it off. And then also, all the dual forms does not fit my nails. It was only the pinky that I could get one of the dual forms to fit. But I set it for 90 seconds. Depending on your lamp, it's either 90 seconds or 2 minutes. But because I have a 2-in-1 lamp, I could just do 90 seconds. And y'all, trying to take this damn dual form off, I done bent it out of shape. Like, it was thick. It was a mess. But moving on, like I said before, the dual forms doesn't fit all my nails, so I ended up taking, what are these, just regular nail forms, and which I prefer these over the dual forms anyway. But like I said earlier, I had an issue trying to figure out the right amount to use. Like, I took some off because it was too much, but then it was too little. And I don't know if I edited it out. Oh no, I didn't. You saw my ghetto ass. I done took it off the paper, but I cured it and I like it way better. And then, damn, I'm going fast. Anyway, fast forwarding through all my nails, I had like a little method. I would just put set like a little foundation, and then moving forward, I just applied as I needed. So these are my nails. Ew. Wow. Anyway, but these are the tools I used. Some of them, because y'all, if you see that white, that means that my files are getting worn down. I don't like that. Anyway, but yeah, you see those 2 little files, 3 actually. I started bringing out any and every file I had, which, I mean, it worked for the time being, but later on you'll see I went back and redid it because I didn't like how it turned out initially. But this is what they're looking like. What is that white spot on my index finger? I have no idea what it is, but we're just gonna keep it moving. So to polish them, I used my Beetles. I think this was the Rainbow Summer 23 polish kit, and which is nice. And it came with the base and top coat, also a matte coat, and I used the shades 828 and 829. So I believe I used, oh, that's the top coat and the base coat it comes with, and then the matte coat is also that size. But I'm still using the same 48 watt, I think it's SUNUV lamp that I already been using. But what am I talking about? Oh, that's the base coat. And then I set it for 90 seconds. And then, what number is that? 829, I believe. I use $8.29 on all the coffins. Oh, so on my fingers I did coffins, and then on my pinky and ring finger on either hand I did an almond shape. But I used $8.29 for all the coffin shaped nails, and then I used $8.28 on the almond shaped nails. Now that dual form came and bit me in my ass, because that's what my finger looked like the next day, because I decided that I didn't like the colors. They were more summery, and we still in winter. And then also you can see the imperfections that I had. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna just, soak it off. It's fine. And then that was on my left hand. That pinky and my thumb, like chunks of the polygel came off. So I wasn't happy with it, and I ended up going on Amazon and buying a cheap little, I think it was like $26 electric file. And so I was walking around like for 2 days with my hands looking a mess. And I'm ashy. Oh my lord, I'm so sorry. I was washing my hands. Moving on, I wanted to put some rhinestones on it, so I bought that rhinestone glue, and it came with that dual-sided brush. So I got it all on Amazon. I will link everything down below. So I put the gel on first, and without caring, I put the top coat on over it. And that's one of the rhinestone wheels it came with. I didn't like how I put the placements on one of the hands, so I redid it. Going back to the blue nails, I changed the color, and I used the Beetles Manhatten collection 20-piece polish kit. I like them way better now. Granted, yes, they could be way better. And as I'm doing this voiceover, like a week or so later, thumb looks the worst, so I could work on the cuticle area and perfect that. But this is my first time doing it, so I'm not even gonna be that harsh on myself. But yes, this is what my nails are looking like. I like them way better than the green look. And shout out to me, alright, because I told myself I was not gonna do a voiceover ever again, and look at me doing one. Wow, that's perseverance. Okay, but anyway, like I said, everything I used will be in the description box, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Took some notes on what not to do, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.